Hi, this is John with WTI. And when it comes to uncomplicated cooking, easy meals, ready to go, this is where this Sazon Ranchero liquid seasoning comes into place. Good thing about this, nice flavor. This is something that I remember my mom used to cook with when I was a kid. And refining this again as an adult, now I remember what she used to do this. This is a nice seasoning, salt included, that you just have to add it to any one of your meats that you want to do. In my case, add it to ground beef, add it to chicken, even like just season it and marinate it before. I even done this. I just got the chicken, put this liquid seasoning and put it in the air fryer, and I just works like wonders. Or even if I had to do it in a pan, just sear it up, and I don't have nothing else to do. The versatility that this liquid seasoning that you just have to pour it up in anything that you want to cook, it's just great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.